That's it.
Hey, Victor, hey.
And we won't say a word
Do you
about
know
it.
the little teacup song?
There we go.
Act it out. Act it out. Act it
I
out.
actually don't know how to. I don't know all the words to that.
They used to make us do it in tracks, because like if you didn't run right, they'd be like, okay, go over there and do it in front of everyone.
If you help me, 'cause I
don't know it, actually.
I don't know.
I'm a little teacup, short and stout.
Here's my handle, here's my spout. I don't
Fill
know.
my cup.
Someone needs to show them how to act it out.
And pour me out.
Does anyone
Can I
have
see your
some
tan
cards
line
I can
again?
read it off of? That
Hang on.
What?
Victor, can I see your tan line?
No.
Why? Victor, get on
Why?
your face!
You like that?
I think he's almost initiated. He's almost good. You're close. You're
Ginger likes
close.
it too much.
Memorize.
We need one more good thing, and then you'll be good.
One more good thing.
It's a date.
What could it be though?
Something other than the dog.
That's the only thing we want.
Alright.
The only thing I don't
People
want
want
to do.
Okay,
A
okay.
cat.
I got it.
Yes.
Basically do the same thing.
No, you meow.
Yeah, dude,
I'm
that's
gonna
good.
teacup song. Here we go, ready?
Okay.
Time to rub up again.
You have to go.
Yeah, do the teacup song.
Alright.
Alright.
You give a lap dance to Alex. We
Oh,
will
Lord,
let
no.
you go.
Dude, do the teacup one.
That just got.
Dude, you can do it.
Do the little teacup song.
You come from
We're
with
talking
that
about
guy.
teacups and then lap dance.
Or lap
Dude.
dance.
Jojo, is that why he thinks you're gay?
Oh, slam!
Is this what you had to do last year?
just got dicked.
You should have seen his initiation.
I don't want
We
to.
locked him in a room with Coach.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's where I got it. Someone made it.
Yeah.
And I do this when I say
Kitty party, man.
Victor,
Still
come
trying
on.
to videotape me? I'm not-
I've been videotaping you for 6 minutes and 32 seconds.
That's a little.
Hey.
Come on, do the teacup song.
Something? Like, no.
Do the teacup song.
You said hello.
I said hey. I didn't say hello.
Do the teacup song.
Don't be picky.
Victor.
Little teacup. Dude, little teacup.
I have
Be that guy, Victor.
Hey, we have the lyrics. Are you ready for this?
I don't know the
Here's
lyrics.
the motion.
That's-
Okay, good.
I
You start
don't
reading
know
all
the
the emotions.
motions.
Go.
You guys did.
I'm a little.
Wait.
No, this-
No, you're gonna do it when I'm recording.
This is the practice run. This is the
This is
practice
the practice
run.
run. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, so babe, okay, and
I'm a little teapot, short and
It's
stout.
not my
You
You guys
Come
rejoice.
on, focus.
Hey, guys, nobody laugh. It's a practice round. Go.
Okay, ready?
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Here we go. Hey,
Okay,
You do this, you do a handle when he says, here's my handle. You do this, and then you do this.
Oh my god.
How am I not satisfied?
Alright, real time. Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay.
I still don't know what I'm doing.
How do you know what you're doing? I know what you're doing.
Stout.
I'm
Here
not
is
poor.
my
I don't know
handle.
this
Here
song.
is my spout. When I get all steamed up here. Please, please.
That's better than the dog.
Make my day. Please do this.
Dude, you got this, Vic. Don't even worry about it.
Somebody stand in the background so I have someone to copy.
Yeah, that's a good
I'll
idea.
do it. I'll do it.
Grant,
Of
did
course,
you do
Grant
it?
does.
Do some dance emotions and make it interesting. Okay.
Alright, you have to sing
You have to
it.
sing with
I hope
it,
you
too.
memorize that.
Grant, when you do short and stout, squat down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Short. There you go.
Except I'm on
Hey, arch your
recording.
back and really push the booty
No,
down.
Yeah, I got that.
Alex, Jake, don't worry.
Oh!
Alright, go. Go.
I feel disgraced
Two.
with myself.
1,
Come on,
go.
I'm a little teapot. Out. I don't know the words. I handle.
When I get all steamed up, reach out,
Out.
take me over him.
That was terrible.
Oh, Vic, come on.
That was terrible, Vic. Vic, that was terrible. That was terrible. Are you serious? That was awful.
I want to see this.
I want to see the
I gotta